How to Prepare for a Divorce Trial in California. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. If you're heading to a divorce trial in California, it means you and your spouse couldn't reach an agreement on key issues, like custody, support, or property division. Preparing for trial can feel overwhelming, but with the right steps, you can walk in confident and organized. Start by gathering and organizing all your documents, financial records, communication logs, and anything that supports your case. Make sure your disclosures are complete and up to date. You'll also need to prepare exhibits, a witness list, and a trial brief explaining your position to the judge. We recently worked with a client who was representing herself at trial. We helped her organize her evidence, draft a clear trial brief, and prepare the forms required by the court. As a result, she felt confident and ready, and the judge appreciated her preparation. At Divorce 661, we help clients get organized for trial even if they're not using an attorney. We make sure your paperwork is complete, your arguments are clear, and your presentation is focused on what the judge needs to see. If you're facing a divorce trial in California and need help getting prepared, visit Divorce661.com to schedule your free consultation. We'll help you walk into court ready and give you the best chance at a fair outcome.